Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This is the inboard 21 SPX, got a 250 horsepower engine, sea deck on the back swim deck, large sun pad, dual captain chairs, has the built-in Simrad in the dash. Moving up to the bow area, ample seating, Fusion stereo. Trailer is included on this particular unit. This boat, it does not have the water sport tower or the bimini top. However, both of those could be added if you're interested in having those added to the boat. But the price is reflective without a bimini or a water sport tower. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Give me a shout. Come on by and take a look at this Sea Ray 21 SPX.